Lattics Web app supports the extraction and backtracking of online content. In the Web app panel, you can access various academic websites to browse information and extract valuable content as cards. During extraction, the system automatically records metadata such as the source, web page's title, and URL, which is saved in the card's extended information. Clicking the source link on the card allows you to directly open the original web page within the web app and automatically navigate to the location of the extracted content. If a card is used as a reference citation, Lattics can also automatically generate standardized citation information in the bibliography section. Additionally, when browsing online PDF documents, you can highlight, perform OCR recognition, and extract content just as you would with local PDFs. Relevant reference metadata is similarly preserved in the card. When backtracking to the content source, Lattics temporarily loads the PDF from the web and accurately locates the corresponding section without requiring it to be saved locally. Likewise, when citing such cards, complete reference information can be automatically generated. The web app also supports connections to various AI applications. You can drag the results processed by AI directly into Lattics, fully preserving the original formatting such as headings, lists, code blocks, and more. Formulas can also be saved into Lattics using the copy button while retaining their formatting. Additionally, you can use the web app to directly open online note-taking applications like Notion and Flomo, making it convenient to retrieve and integrate content from other knowledge bases. Lattics now offers educational discounts. Please visit the official Lattics website to make a purchase.